Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, I'm so excited. I am going to be doing a double unboxing of the Boxycharm boxes for the month of May. So we are going to be unboxing our base box and our premium box. So if you want to know what I got in these boxes, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And of course, guys, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted every time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so let's jump right into it because I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what I got in my boxes. So we are going to start off with the base box first. As you guys can see, it still has like the little seal on it. So I don't know what we are getting. This is my first time opening it. So I always like to give you guys what my first impressions are because I am just as surprised as you guys are. So yeah, I'm so excited for this. So this is what the box looks like. So here is the little postcard that they sent out. Super cute. The theme is called Super Bloom for Spring. Very cute. So we have the packaging and let's glance at it. So this is what it looks like. Okay. Something just fell out. So we're going to start off with the first item here. So this item, this item is the item that I chose. Okay, so this item is the Air Hug Concealer. And I'm so excited for this. I love my makeup items, guys. You guys know that. I love makeup. Check this out. Oh my God, the packaging is so pretty. It's like in a frosted bottle and it's nice, short, and like a thick, chubby, you know what I mean? I love the packaging. It's nice, very nice, bright and bold orange, so it's definitely gonna stand out. Okay, so this is what the doe foot applicator looks like, and the concealer feels super nice and creamy. I hope that you guys can see that. I think this concealer is really going to work out for my complexion. I think I did a good job choosing out my concealer. It looks about similar to the ones that I have. And it's very blendable, as you guys can see. It does seem to be like kind of hydrating. It feels like really, really good. And the coverage seems like it's there. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited to try this concealer out. I will definitely be trying it out tomorrow. It is super late at night, guys. I just got home from work and I had my mask on all day. So like half of my face is gone. So I apologize about that. But yeah, it's like 9:16 p.m. at night and I'm so excited for it. Okay, so first off, we are off to a really great start because I love my makeup and beauty products. All right, guys, this is what the rest of the box looks like. Let's take this little thing out here. So this is a liquid velvet lipstick. So more makeup. What? Oh my God, this is such a beautiful color. I'm excited for this. Okay, let's see. This is what the applicator looks like. Very, very pretty. And let's give it a little swatch over here. I love this color. So pretty. It's like this really nice, like mauve rose color. I don't know how to describe it, but it looks very, very pretty. So right here I have the concealer. This is the liquid lipstick. It's a velvet lipstick. I'm excited for that. Okay, so we got 3 items to go through. This one seems kind of heavy. So this is a Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. So like skincare. I'm not a fan of skincare. You guys know that. But I'm down for it. Like I'm so down to trying this item. Oh my God. It's nice and hefty. The bottle is glass. So yeah, this is a toner. I don't know. I'm going to look into it because I'm curious about this item. So I will look into it and I'm pretty sure I will put it to use. All right, guys, so we got 2 more items to go through. Let's pull this little thing out. So this is by the brand Yensa, and this is a Skin on a Beauty Sponge. Ooh, I'm so excited. I love my makeup items. I consider this a makeup item because I use a beauty sponge to apply my makeup. So I'm excited. So far, I am loving my box, guys. I'm pretty impressed, I must say. Guys, if you guys are new to my channel, please make sure you guys subscribe down below and join my YouTube family. I would love for you guys to join my YouTube family. Okay, let's just open it. Oh, this little beauty sponge feels so good, and it's dry right now. So I'm pretty sure once I wet it, it's gonna be a really good one. So it does have the angles, so you can like do the cleanup. Oh my god, did you guys see that? It like literally cleaned up. Wow. And then you can go underneath your under eye, and then like you can do your contour on your nose. Oh my god, I love this. I am excited. This is gonna be really good. These two together, bomb. All right, and then we just got one item left in our box, and it looks like this is by Skin Ink Supplement Bar. It's a serum glow filter. Okay. Well, let's see what this is about. Oh, this is actually very pretty. Look at this beauty, how pretty it is. Do you guys see the little beads on it? This is so pretty. This is so nice. I am gonna try this out as well. I'm excited for this. So this is a serum glow filter. I don't know, I would probably use this right before I apply my foundation, maybe like as a primer? I don't know, but this packaging is so super cute. I am impressed. I am in love. Guys, this box was, I don't know, like I think a 9 out of 10. It was really good. So let me just recap everything that I got, guys, because I'm excited for it. So I did get this toner here. It's really hard to see because it's kind of blinded, but I did get this toner. I got a velvety lipstick. Did it dry? Okay, I think it's still drying, but here it is. It's so pretty. We got the concealer. We got this a serum, and I also got the beauty sponge. I'm so excited for it. All right, guys, so let me tell you really quick what variation I got because I love this variation. So my variation for my base box is the letter C 2205018-BA. So yes, I love this box. This box was bomb, on point. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and move along to the Boxycharm premium box for the month of May. All right, so here we go. Let's cut into it. Ta-da! Okay, ooh. I'm trying to remember what I chose for my choice items because I did choose 2 items last month. There it is. There it is. Sneak peek. This is what the box looks like. Okay, so I do remember choosing this palette by Tres Luce Beauty, La Flor de Mexico. So this is Becky G's beauty line. I love that for her. The packaging is so pretty. Look how beautiful it is. All right, but let's get into the palette because that's the beauty of it. So, oh my god, I love the bright bold colors. Love that. Oh my god, I'm so excited for it. Ta-da! Look at how pretty this is. Okay, so it's the Tres Luce La Flor de Mexico. That's the name of the palette. It has a full-size mirror here on the side. It is a cardboard palette, guys. What the heck? Oh, this comes off. I'm like, what? Did my palette break? I was tripping for a moment. Okay, so it is magnetic. That is so awesome. I love that. Okay, so it does have, oh, that is so cute. Okay, so it does have a little something right here that she wrote for us. Mis amores, primavera is here, a time for renewal reflection. Oh, I love this for her. Okay, I'm super bilingual in Spanglish, as you guys can tell. I love this. So freaking cute. Anyways, so if your palette does that, now you guys know that it is magnetic. It has a magnetic mirror. That's pretty cool. All right, guys, so this is the palette. Look how pretty it is. I'm so excited for all these really pretty shimmers. This one is the one that stands out the most to me. Oh my god, how pretty. Wow, it is so nice and creamy. There it is. Oh my God, it's so pretty, guys. I'm excited for this palette. The colors look super pretty. It has a lot of neutral tones, but it also does have a few pops of color if you want to do something fun. And the shimmers are so pretty and metallic-y and bold. I love this. I'm so excited for this palette, guys. I chose this item. This one was definitely one of my choice items. I can't remember what else I chose, but let's take out this box right here. So this is by Base Blue. I actually love Base Blue. They were kind enough in sending me PR before in the past, and I love their products. They're really, really good. All right, guys, so this looks like they are wet and dry dual action facial cleansing wipes. Ooh, I love the packaging. That's kind of cute. It keeps it like nice and organized. And they are individually packed, as you guys can see. So if like you're traveling, you can just like throw it in your makeup bag or whatever. So these are wet makeup removing wipes. And then this one, the yellow ones are dry day beauty cleansing wipes. So they're both a little bit different. You got the best of both worlds, wet and dry cloths, or wipes, I should say. And the packaging is so cute. So I will definitely be putting these to use. Maybe just have it sitting like in my vanity over here. I'm not sure, but I like that. I like that. I'm impressed. I am impressed, guys. Okay, so this is what the rest of my box looks like. And I'm trying to speed up through this video, guys, so that way you guys don't get bored. But anyways, I do see some really nice makeup brushes. And what brand is this from? LaRouseBeauty.com. Okay, so it looks like we got 3 makeup brushes. They come in this really cute little pouch that you can like reuse, I guess. Oh my God, they are so cute. I, for a second, thought that they were Luxie brushes, like, you know, the pink ones. Ooh, it has like this really nice, angled brush. Oops, I already got dirty. But it's really, really pretty. I love that. So like if you're gonna contour or like the temples of your face or like even right here on your nose. Oh, I'm really liking this brush. And the bristles are so super nice and soft and flexible. So I am loving that. This one is more of like a little angled brush. So again, like you can go in and do like detail if you want to like really do like detail to your nose or your inner corner or like your crease. Like you can really go in and use your brushes however you want. That's what I love about brushes. You can use them in multiple ways. Here's another little brush, maybe like a powder brush. Oh my God, these bristles feel so good. Or like to dust off like the excess powder underneath your eyes. I don't know, but I'm really, really liking these brushes. They feel so good to the touch on the skin. They just feel so good. They just feel amazing. So I love this. I love the fact that they sent us that. I am off to a great start. I love my box this month. Okay, let's see what this little pink box is. So this is by Elemis. We've gotten Elemis before in the past, and I love that brand. So this is the Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial. So skincare. I hate skincare, but these brands are good. And I've tried their products before, and I love them. They're not disappointing. They're actually very, very good. I love the packaging on this one. Oh my God. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it smells, it has like a weird smell to it. I don't know how to describe it, but this is a nourishing sleeping cream. So maybe I'll try out like the toner because I'm going to jump in the shower right now and like, you know, settle down a little and go to bed. And I'm going to try that toner and then maybe I'll apply this night cream and go to bed. I'm not sure, but I will try that out. All right, guys, so we got 2 items left. Let's try this one. What is this about? Okay, so this is by Kat Von D. Is it Kat Von D? I don't know, KVD? I forgot. You guys know what I mean. that one brand. So let's see what this is. It has like a color to it, but I don't know what this is. What is this? Vegan Beauty. Okay, so it says it's a lip gloss. Oh, okay. So it's a lip gloss. So I got 2 lip products this month. Ooh, this color though. I don't know if I could pull this color off. It's like it looks like brown, like a dark chola brown, you know what I mean? Let's see. Let's just watch it over here. I don't know if I would use this item. Here's the color, and it's a lip gloss. I don't know. I don't know if I could pull that off. I don't know if this shade complements my skin tone. I don't know. I don't know if I could pull it off, but I'm glad that it's a makeup item because I love me my makeup items, but I just don't know about the color. I'm not sure about that color, guys. All right, and then lastly, this is the last item that we got in our box, and this is by Skin & Co. Roma, and this one is a Truffle Therapy Acete Facial Pure Oil. I don't know what this is for your body. I don't know, but let's open it up. Let's find out what it is. Oh, okay, so this is what it looks like. So the packaging is very nice and it's like a very like luxurious looking, but what is the purpose of this? I don't know. I need to look into it. Acete Facial Pure Oil. I'm not sure if this is for the body, the face. I don't know. Let me read the postcard. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, and I'm back. So this oil is for your face. So it's a facial oil. So you're supposed to actually apply like a few drops to the palm of your hands, like rub it in, work it in, and then you're just gonna go like this and like outwards. Oh no. I don't know if I'm gonna try this or not because I am kind of already oily, so I don't know if I want to add more oils to my face. My skin's just combination, so I don't know. It has a mind of its own. Anyways, guys, so that's gonna be it for my video for today. I hope that you guys liked this video. I hope it was like kind of fast and you guys were able to see what I got in my boxes. So that way you guys kind of have an idea of what you might be expecting in your upcoming boxes. Anyways, guys, that's going to be it. Please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I would love to know what you guys got in your boxes. Leave me a comment down below. I always love to respond back to you guys. And that's going to be it. Hope to see you guys on my next one. And have a great night. Bye-bye. Yes, I'm the truck, pass me a lighter.